Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when playing Apex Legends where the mouse cursor always appears on the screen. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up your Origin library, and then on the left side, select My Game Library. Should be one of the options underneath My Home and Store. You go down, select My Game Library. And then on the right panel, there should be your game that you would normally just left click to open, or right click and then select play. Instead, you want to go right click on the Apex game, and then select where it says Game Properties. And then under the general page, that will be the default landing page, there'll be something that says Enable Origin in-game for Apex Legends. Go ahead and uncheck that option, so deselect it, and then select the orange Save button to save that change. And then once you've done that, you can close out of the application. Would recommend restarting your computer just to be safe, and that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.